You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of this commune or city, or it's a town in France, in the French Alps, the French pronunciation and how you can say it in English. Évian. Yes, there's a famous water named after it. Évian-les-Bains. Évian-les-Bains. Les bains means the baths in French. Évian-les-Bains. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.